Hello, how's it going? So I've got a data frame here that I want to work with. So I just want to quickly show you how to add a new how to add a new column to a data frame. So I'll be using some functions like split and lit function. I will also be using when function. So without further ado, let's get into it. So what I want to do is add a new column to this data frame, and I want to so we call this data frame that has the record of like a family from 1 to 4. So each family lives in a particular address. So I want to add a new column that states the age range of each family in that address. So here we create a data frame called df2. I will just scroll back up just to show you the data frame I created. So this is my df, and I'll be using it for this for the new data frame. So that will be df2f.select. So what I want to do is select all these column, right? So I will say call and I will give it a wide card asterisk, and that will select all the column. So my condition is going to be when, and I want to split this address record, right? So I will just try to quickly show you how the split works. So splits, I will select the address, and then the pattern is going to be just space, because space is the one separating these words. So that will be my pattern. And okay, maybe I need to use call instead of just a string. Yeah, okay. So so I've split it. So I need to use dot as then the column name, address. Now let's say address splits. So I just want to quickly show you how the splits work. So that is why I don't know why I'm getting the error here. Okay, I think I'm not actually going to use when at this stage, because I just want to show how the split works. So I just want to show the split operation. So I'm going to run it. df2.show truncate equal to false. So cannot resolve dot asterisk. Okay, I need to remove the dot asterisk. It should be just asterisk, yeah. So and I think this one, so split dot as, so it should come here. So split co-address pattern, then does as address plates. So if I run it again, Okay, yeah, so this is what the split does, right? And so it basically added a new column here, right? And address split, but that is not what I actually want to show in this video. I want to show how to use lit to add a new column to a data frame. Well, this is actually adding a new column, basically, as you can see. But lit is basically one of the preferred option I have when trying to add a new column to a data frame. So yeah, actually this is part of the code I'm going to be writing. I'm going to be selecting the first element in each of these address record. So the first element is going to be the number of the houses, right? So okay, I'm just going to edit this code here. When to split the address, okay, address, so this is the address I'm going to split, and the split pattern is going to be a space when splits, and I need to add column there, address. So what I'm going to do is say when it's equal to 25, then what I need to do is add a new column, lit, a comma should be there, lit, column, the column value is going to be 25, or let me say age 6 to 26. So it's going to be string. So when the address number is 25, then age range is going to be 6 to 26. And for the other one, let's say when the splits call address, so split it by space, then so that will be pattern, so equal to let me say if it's greater than or equal to 80, so I don't need to write much code. Greater than or equal to 80, then the age range is going to be from 16 to 38, and so I want to put otherwise. So otherwise, if the age rate is not equal to 25 or greater than equal to 80, so if it's less than 25 or maybe 70, so otherwise I want to say the column will be let's say age between 1 to 50 or 60, yeah. So it's age range though as age range. Okay, yeah, I think that should do it. So I'm going to run it. Okay, I'm getting this error here. Canal resolve split address and equal to 25. So split address split address equal to 25. Right. Due to data type mismatch. Oh, I see. I think, yeah. So actually I was just getting the array, and what I want to get is just the number. So I'm going to say 0 here to get the number. And for this one, this is actually going to be a string. So I will put 0 here and see if it's give me error or not. Okay, yeah. So this one was already integer, so I don't need to. Okay. So so for age 89 or 82, we are getting age range between 60 and to 38 and 38. I mean, and for the house number with for 25 house number, we're getting between 6 to 26. For house number maybe 23 or less than 23, we are getting age range from 1 to 60. So that is basically how you can use leads to add a new column to your data frame. And also you can use with column here instead of using when. So if I use with column here, and I will put instead of putting age range here, I will just put it here. So that would be age range, and I'll get rid of this. So I should get the same result. Alright, so I just run it again. As you can see, we are getting the same result for with column or select. And yeah, so that is it, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave your comment. More videos like this will be coming, so make sure you stay tuned, and have a lovely day, and goodbye.